Forsyth again with Quick Flip Decor and our summer themes, and this one is our summer seaside vacation. Now, first we're going to start with the picture. Very important. You show all the aquas with the lovely water in our seaside picture with the seagulls, the crashing waves, and the rock. I believe this is done by Wilson's. The mermaid pillow from Quilts, Etc. The great thing about this, I just put the word sea on it. You can change many different things with this pillow and write anything you want. Or take it away. This one is a placemat from Bed Bath & Beyond. I just stitched it onto a very neutral pillow, just at the corners and the sides. Now here's another pillow cover with a zip, and it's a very nice cotton look in the aquas and great for this look. And we have our throw, which will blend in with all the colors. What I have here is my decor sea garden that is just in a porcelain bowl. It's flat on the bottom, and it can be square or round. I have a little battery operated Volta, little parrot design on here. Some aqua colored glass here. Actually, it's a mason jar with shells and an informal arrangement of little flowers here. Some shells. And I have my little shell spoon in here as well. You know, for this sea garden, you can use some burlap ribbon, and it takes the place of sand because it looks just kind of like it. Okay, so just give me a few moments and I will flip the room.
Now here we go. This is our summer seaside look, and all you're missing is a good book. This is The End of Summer by Rosamund Pilcher. She also does The Shell Seekers. Great book too.
Now Naked Grape put out this turquoise colored wine. It's just too much fun. It's the most non-serious wine you'll ever meet, slightly sweet and quite delicious.
Charlie. Woo! Oh, hey. Hi, honey. How's my Charlie? You fit well into the decor. Yes, it's a good one, hey?
Looks like a tree.
Yeah, is that right?
So here we have it. Quick Flip Decor's great summer seaside vacation. Cheers. This has been Jackie and Charlie Forsyth from the Thedaveforsythband.
There are many more videos on the Dave Forsyth Band channel, so please come on over and subscribe. We've got a few new ones coming up real quick, along with a few live feeds, so don't forget to check back regularly.